Hi, good evening everyone, and welcome to Project Learn, a Reskill and Spark Your initiative aiming at upskilling tech enthusiasts on emerging AR tech with the help of workshops and hackathons and building a highly engaged Spark AR community. Through these workshops, you would be taught how to build AR effects on Spark AR Studio and with features that enhance the experience of Facebook and Instagram users. My name is Askar Khan, and before we start the workshop, I'd run you through a small presentation to share the purpose, flow, application, and benefits of being a part of this program. As I mentioned, Project Learn aims at helping you kickstart your career in the domain of augmented reality by training you in the technology. The program structure is divided into three broad stages. In the first phase, we'll walk you through Sparkia Studio and teach you how to create your first AR effect from scratch, which involves importing assets, canvas, face tracking, patch editor, and generating testing. In the second phase, we'll move a step further, teaching you about advanced filters and share with you Sparkia policies before you finally submit your AR effect. Submission of your effect will get you a meta certification, access to resources that will help you prepare for the hackathon. In the final phase, we'll host hackathons at your college level and at pan India level, you will be rewarded and recognized for your efforts and contributions. Before we move further, I'll quickly introduce Sparkia Studio to you all. Sparkia Studio is a tool used by a global community of creators and brands to create and share AR experiences using Facebook family of apps. And augmented reality is an interactive experience which digitally enhances what can be seen, heard, and touched in the real world. At the moment, we have over 600 million people using AR on Meta apps. Let's have a quick look at what's happening in the world in the field of AR. There are four key capabilities where AR is being used. To give you a brief insight on how AR is being used worldwide, we have all come across these face filters on Instagram where we can add a mask on our face. This is done using the face tracking capability. IKEA, the popular Swedish chain of home furnishing stores, uses AR to help their customers choose the right furniture for their home through the world tracking capability. Similarly, while QR codes are now normal to scan, we are also able to scan pamphlets and business cards using target tracking. Similarly, body and hand tracking, the latest capability introduced, offers utility for fashion and e-commerce brands, allowing users to try on an outfit digitally before they click purchase. So these are a few effects I am sure some of you have tried using, like changing of hair color when you scream or a phone call from a celebrity. AR also plays an impressive role in escalating your gamifying experience by mapping effects with facial expressions, gestures, and head movements. AR has played a crucial role during the pandemic in bringing the world to your drawing room by emphasizing on the moment, making the content much more interactive, enjoyable, and memorable. Having said this, what happens to the effect I have created? Well, the effect can be published on your Instagram user page, in the stories section, in the reels, and guess what? Your effect is available to the audience worldwide to use and experience. A pertinent question that arises is, how does this program help me professionally? There are various ways in which you can use your AR effect to your advantage. You can monetize on the platform by building interactive AR effects for brands and creators. You can become an AR UX researcher, AR developer, and an educator. You can leverage AR in your career by identifying and solving problems. And you can take the augmented reality career further into learning VR and XR. With so many advantages, both immediate and long term, I am sure you all will make the most of these workshops. We had shared a download link for Sparkia Studio with you in the email. I hope you have downloaded it. In case you haven't, please do it before we begin the session. I would now like to introduce the mentor for the session, Sarthak Jain. Sarthak Jain is an AI creator since last 2 years and has created some amazing AR effects during his journey. He is a Meta certified AR creator and was earlier a campus ambassador at Rescale and Spark AR campus ambassador program in 2021. Hi, Sarthak.
Hi, hello. Hi everyone, and hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to learn and create our first AR effect. Before that, let me share my screen. I hope my screen is visible to all. Okay, let's start uh, the journey to create our first AR effect. Okay, before that, I'll tell you how you can download the Spark AR tool in your system. What you need to write? You need to write Spark AR Studio download. Just click on the first link, and after that, you can easily download the Spark Air Studio for your system. As I have this software already, I'll don't download it again. I'll quickly jump to the software and let uh, explain you the functionality how we can make the first AR effect. This is the first screen which is open after you open the your AR software. In this screen, you can see the blank project, sharing experience, video calling experience. These all are the experience which Spark AR gives to us. In blank project, this will be a completely blank project where you are starting the your where you're making your filter from very scratch. In sharing experience, you can make a filter which you can share on Instagram and Facebook only. And when you're talking about video calling experience, when you select this experience, through this experience, the AR filter which you are creating is applicable for video calling as well, for on Instagram, on Messenger, and for Facebook. Now, I'll let you know about the templates which are available in Spark AR Studio. These are the templates which through which you can. These are the pre-built templates which you can use to make few of your effects. You can change your background. If you want to make something on of the world object, you can choose this templates. Okay, if there is something you need to you want 2D stickers or 3D stickers, you can build from the pre-built assets which are available over here. Okay, if you want to change your hair color, there's a pre-built template which is available over here. There's a wing which you find over trending AR topics throughout there. In our Spark Air Studio, we also have uh, icon where learn section. In this section, what you can do is uh, you can go and learn about Spark Air Studio from very basics. You will find ample amount of articles, video tutorials to learn about Spark Air Studio. So I'm directly jumping to a blank project, and let's start creating our first AR effect. Okay, there's a screen which is available when you open your blank project. Okay, okay. This is a scene panel. What is scene panel? In this panel, you will find all the devices which you attached with your system to run this Spark Air Studio. When we're talking about devices, camera, camera to have a camera. Basically, camera we are using here to trace you virtually and make filters according to your need. Then we have the focal distance. Focal distance is something in Spark Air Studio we also take care about the physics which we have planned. We have focal distances, we have lighting systems, we have different type of lighting when we're talking about them. By default, they give you the ambient lighting and directional lighting to showcase your face or the object which you are seeing. By default, we also have the microphone which is attached with our scene panel. Okay, below the scene panel, you will find the assets section where all the images, all the GIFs, all the audio assets which you are putting in your effects will be there. So when we are going to import any video, any image, they will came up in the asset section. Now, we are going to do today is just this is section where this is section where we can pause our video, this the video which is running on this user sharing screen. We can pause the video, we can play the video. If you want to change the character, we can change. We have 9 characters which are available over here, so we can change the character according to our need. Okay, we can also choose our real time face simulation to give the real experience, to trace the real experience according to our need. Okay, now I'll pause the face for a while. Till then, I'm making something over it. Okay, what we are going to make, we'll on the top of our head, we'll put some text, we'll put some images, and I'll try to explain you more about 3D text, face tracker, and something about AR library, how we can use this all AR library. Okay, first, what we are going to do, we are going to use the face tracker in our filter. What is face tracker? Face tracker is something like an AI, which is trace your face. Okay, when your face is moving, the object, the text, the images will be moved according to your uh, uh, movement of your face. So there are 4 types of tracker which are available in Spark Air. One is face tracker, second is plane tracker, third is target tracker, and fourth is hand tracker. Face tracker track the face, plane the plane. Target tracker tracks the particular target, like QR code. If we scan, so it give us the information which we have made through our Spark AI Studio. Hand tracker is something which is new for India. In India, we have in few devices it is available. In iPhone, it is available, but most of the devices it is not available. It is quite new for India, but for sure, very soon you will see the hand tracker effects in the market. Okay, so what we are going to do, we need to click on face tracker. Okay, after clicking on face tracker, what we need to do, we need to click on insert. Again, I am telling you, click on this plus icon. Okay, come to the face tracker and click on insert. After inserting this, what you will find, the face tracker is inserted in our scene panel. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to put a 3D text in a filter so that we can write something. Okay, now if I am putting the 3D, my name is Sarthak. Okay, I'll put my name Sarthak over this uh, over this plane. Okay, now the most important part and the most important functionality when we are talking about Spark AR, there are 3 types of icons which are available over here. One is for existing this the position, one is for rotation, and one is for scaling down and scaling up object. Let us suppose I want to scale down or scale up. I can choose this um, this icon, and if I want to rotate Sarthak in some manner, I can do this with you know uh, with the rotation icon. If I want to put this uh, anywhere in this filter, I can take it as well. Okay, now what we are going to do, as you can see, I want this face, I want this name Sarthak should be moved with this face. Now what you are seeing, the Sarthak is on our on our filter, but it is not moving with the movement of face. What we can do for this, what we need to do, we need to put the 3D text in below the face tracker. Now what you can see, the how the face is moving according to the face, the the alphabet, the letter is moving. Okay, now you can see if I move my face upward, the alphabet is moving upward. If my name is moving upward, if I'm moving downwards, so my name is moving downwards. So now I think it's working quite well. Okay, this is how we can insert a face tracker, and with the help of face tracker we can not only just text image, we can also insert the image over here. Not only a text, we can also insert the image over here. How can we insert an image over here? Let me try to showcase that too. If you are there's an AR library. What is AR library? It's a library where you will find all the assets available, okay, for free. It's a library provided by Meta to you. all the things, all the animations, all the object, 3D object, all the musics, all the patches, textures, all the things are free over here. Now let us try to find something which we can integrate, which we can put on our effect. Okay, there are ample amount of effects which are available. Now, according to your need, according to your want, you can take any. Like if I search for hat, let me find there's a hat which is available, and I want to have this hat over here. Okay, whenever you are inserting any image, whenever you are inserting any asset, what you need to do is you need to log into this Sketchfab. Sketchfab is a third party website which basically, you know uh, using which basically provide these assets for free. What you need to do, you need to log in with your Facebook account to get these assets done. Okay, now click on OK. Now what you will find, okay, now this cowboy had will be downloaded by the AR library. Okay, let me check why it is not downloading. I think internet is not working fine. I think internet is not working well. No problem. Yeah, you can see we got the cowboy hat asset over our asset panel. What you need to do is now we need to put this asset on our face. So we'll put this asset on our face panel. What we need to do for this, we need to initialize a plane. Okay, in this material zero we'll put cowboy hat. Okay, we have inserted the cowboy hat, but it is too big. What we need to do, we need to scale it down. How we can scale that? uh, Here on the right hand side you will find a property section. In the property section you can find a section of transformation. In the transformation section you will find scale. From here you can scale your hat according to your need. Now I had scaled this hat. Let me check if we can just put this up to my face. Just give me a minute so that I can revolve the screen. What I need to do is view. Now you can see this. Now you can see the hat is moving with our face, but we need to quite adjust this hat according to the face structure. What we what we can do in this? Let me show you how we can do this, how we can adjust the hat. Click on the cover head and just this is how you can place hat or place character on your in your effect. As of now I'm removing this hat and placing only that 3D character which we have take earlier, and this is how it is moving now. Okay, any doubt till here? If anyone have any doubt they can ask. Any doubt? No, we can also choose some some more 3D object from this place. Okay, we can insert any of the 3D object. It's all for free. You don't need to pay anything for this. We want to insert this 3D, this cake, uh, 3D cake. We can also insert this 3D cake. Just waiting for downloading this. It takes quite 2 to 3 seconds to insert this. Again, the size is very big. What we need to do, we need to scale down the size. Okay, this is a bean heart which we have chosen earlier. 0.9, 0. Pause. Put this here. What we can do, we can also scale down from this side. This is how we can place the effect. It's all about your creativity, how you are using the assets, how you are placing them in your AR filter. Now what we are going to do is I'm going to tell you how you can publish your AR effect. For publishing your AR effect, what you need to do is you need to click on publish. Now, when you're clicking to publish, what you'll see there are a few options which are available in your screen. One is to record video. What you need to do is you need to record video. Uh, put this being had. Leave this being had. Just text over here. Okay. Click on publish. Record the video. After recording the video, just save the video. Add the experience. When you're adding the experience, so there are two types of experience are available. One is sharing experience, one is video calling. If you take this video calling experience, so you can also able to do video call when with these AR effects. If you are sharing taking the sharing experience, only you can share on or publish this on Instagram and Facebook. You can't able to do video calls. I don't want to do the video call one. I only want to take the sharing experience. Okay, again in sharing experience, you will find when you are using Instagram, how from where you can access this effect only from camera. I don't want that existing media also can, camera and existing media also can trace this AR effect. Now click on done. After clicking on done, just I need to click on upload, and within few minutes it will take us to the SparkR hub, where we need to do all the other formalities. Any doubt till now? How to import that ad? Okay, I'll tell you about this. There was an asset section from where we can upload the ad. Just give me a minute so that it can upload it on a page, and then I'll tell you. Okay, now I'll tell you how to import the ad. If you want to import the ad, there is an AR library which is available over your software. Okay, come to the AR library, click on AR library. AR library is already open. Click on AR library. Here's the AR library which is open for you. Okay, now if you type hat, so you'll find hat. If you'll type ball, you can find the ball. Those the ball is available. If you find something like hand, hopefully you can find the hand. Hopefully, I'm not sure. Yep, you can find the hand. If you want to find hurt, you can. It totally depends upon your creativity and what you want to input. So AR library is a place where you can find all the assets, okay, for free. Okay, now we'll understand how we can upload our AR effect. Like, give the effect name, like my name. I write this effect. Okay, what you can do, you can also specify the platform which you want that this app can use. When you're talking about all platforms, they will use Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Okay, if you want to be on this specific platform, to let us suppose I only want that it should be available for Facebook. I'll choose Facebook. If I want it should also available for Instagram, I'll choose Instagram. If I want it should available for Messenger, I'll choose Messenger. Totally depends on us which platform we want to use this app. There are two links which is made by the when you publish your filter. One is the public link, and second is a link only. The public is something when your effect is published, or anyone when your app is published, anyone can use that app. Link only is something which is only available for the person who have that app link or that effect link owner. You are the owner of your app, the Facebook account you are using. You are the owner for that app. Okay, category you need to tick box four categories which which justify your um, AR effect. Like my AR effect is something on appearance, selfie, and something on I can't say immersive and say color lights, events, something which I love to. Okay, keywords are words. They are the optional words. Okay, but for engagement purpose, for the SEO purpose, you can choose. If your effect is something on Diwali, to put Diwali. Okay, over your effect. If your effect is something on Holi, to put keywords like Holi and Holi over there. Okay, you can also change the demo video from here, as well as you can take the icon. You can also upload the icon as per your name. Okay, now the publishing date as soon as possible, and just you need to click on submit. If you click on submit, you will redirect it to a new page where you will see that your effect is published and it is under review. Now, after few hours, 5 hours, 4 hours, or 2 days, 3 days, you will get to know that your effect is published. If not published, so why not published? What was the the problem is with your AR effect. Till it published, please let me know if you have any doubt. Any doubt, guys? कुछ पूछना है? No? Guys, it takes quite longer time uploaded. Now it is in the review state as I said. Now it is successfully uploaded, but it is in the review stage. It could take few hours or could take still time till 5 hours. Okay, now how we are going to claim our meta certificate. Okay, for my claiming the meta certificate, what we need to do is we need to fill all the details on in a Google form where we need to put that we have make one AR effect and please give us the certificate. We need to put few details. Let me go through the form once how you can fill the form. Just wait for a minute. Until then, if you want, if you have any doubt, please share to us. I'll happy to solve you. Okay, so I'll share you the Google Form link in your chat section. Let me share my screen and tell you how you can perform that. Oh, sorry. Here's a Google Form link. Guys, you can open this Google Form. When you open this Google Form, you need to fill your full name, last name, your email address, your contact number, and your Facebook profile URL. What is Facebook profile URL? You just go to facebook.com. Okay, click on your profile, and this is your profile URL. This you need to paste over here. Your college name, Anurag College. Then what you need to do? You need to put the effect URL and the effect ID from the Spark Air Hub. Uh, Here's your filter, which is available on your Spark Air Hub. Okay, now click on share button. Just copy this effect link, put it over here. This is your effect URL. Where to find the effect ID? For effect ID and for owner ID, what you need to click? You need to click on these three dots. You'll able to copy the effect ID and the owner ID. Okay. If you want to upload the demo video, you can. Demo video is not compulsory over here, but if you want your demo video which you have make when you are making this filter, you can go to the details. Okay, when you're going to the details, you can click on scroll down and you will find a section where the demo video is there which you have recorded when you are submitting your effect. Okay, just click on these three dots and download this demo video. After downloading this demo video, please upload this demo video over here and then submit. That's all you need to do to 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 submit your to claim your certificate. Anything else, guys? If you want to ask, please ask. Okay. Anyone have a need out? They can ask. I told about that how you can import the hat. Okay. I think that is clear, Shivani. Okay. I hope you enjoy the workshop, and we'll meet tomorrow on the same day, same on the same time. Okay, with some new effects created. I think Asgard is here. Okay, okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Please submit your effect. Please submit your effect after this session. Thank you.